ঠিক আছে বলো।
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Arju Sikdar, a student of class 4 of this wonderful school. My dear friends and my most respected teachers, today I am going to deliver a beautiful speech about our great Independence Day. So first of all, I'd like to wish you all a very very happy Independence Day. My dear audience, today is the 15th of August. This is a very proud day for our country India. Um, um,
On this day,
On this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. My dear friends, our freedom didn't come easily. There were so many great hearts, brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru,
Netaji Subhash Chandra
Netaji
Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose, Binay Badal Dinesh, and many more great hearts. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.
Let's begin. খুব সুন্দর, ভালো প্রয়াস ছিল। ছোট্ট বক্তব্য অনেক কিছু বলার চেষ্টা করেছে। যাই হোক, ইন ফিউচার আর ভালো কিছু হবে। ওর জন্য জোরে হাত তালি একটা।